Hey everybody, wanted to shoot a quick video here today with you. 2 life lessons that I learned today. One of them being kind of a reaffirmation and other a tip to help you in terms of productivity and staying after it. So first one, always be willing to do what you're asking somebody else to do. So a colleague of mine wanted to be challenged and had said, hey, can you keep me accountable? And I said, well, just go out there and do it right now. Like I see nothing on your calendar. So just 2-minute video, record some content. So that's what I'm doing. I blocked off some time here in order to be able to get this done. Second is I find the people who have the hardest time in terms of actually delivering upon what they say they want to do, never put it on their schedule. So that's what I did here today is if you take a look at my schedule, I have blocked out a 2-hour time in order to be able to produce content. I produced another piece of content here this morning, but it was on my calendar and it keeps me accountable because I put it there. I actually planned out my day in order to do that. So one, always be willing to do what you would ask somebody else to do. And then secondly, the best way to keep yourself accountable is keeping yourself accountable. Put it on the calendar and take care of that. So hope you enjoyed watching. Hope you got some value out of this here today, and we will catch you next time. Take care.